The main tasks to do at the end of the calendar year have to do with taxes. You'll generate tax preparation reports to help you prepare your taxes. I want to make a special note on payroll. This course did not cover employees and payroll because it's best to use one of the payroll services rather than doing things yourself. And there are important calendar year-end tasks that must be done, including creating and filling payroll forms. Get help from your accountant with payroll because things can get pretty tricky, and you don't want to mess with the tax authorities. This video will cover the tax preparation reports that can help you prepare your taxes. QuickBooks provides 3 reports that can help you fill out your tax forms. So the first report I want to show you is the Income Tax Preparation Report. Go to Reports, Accountant and Taxes, Income Tax Preparation. So run this report before generating the other tax reports. This report shows all the accounts you set up and the tax lines associated with them. If you didn't assign tax lines to accounts, and QuickBooks recommends that you do not assign the tax lines, your accountant should have assigned the correct tax lines when he or she went over your company file. So let's move down to the income and expense areas, because this is where we need the tax lines assigned. If you see unassigned in this column, the account needs to be assigned a tax line before creating the other tax reports. So you can double-click, and since this is income, I know that I can assign it to gross receipts or sales. And you would do that for each unassigned entry in the report. Unless, like for reconciliation discrepancy, it's not tax-related. So, but here are the 2 new expense accounts that we created, and we can assign those to repairs and maintenance. Okay, now that that's done, let's close this report, and I'll show you another tax report. And go to Accountant and Taxes, Income Tax Summary. And this report shows the amounts assigned to each tax line in your tax form. Let's close this, and the other tax report, Income Tax Detail, shows the individual transactions that make up the total amounts assigned to each tax line. And here is the car and truck expenses tax line and the transaction assigned to that tax line. Okay, that's it for tax reports.